Hello friends, welcome to our channel No Nuggets that provides nuggets of knowledge through which you will gain knowledge. In today's video, we will talk about property and casualty insurance. But before we talk about property and casualty insurance, let's do a quick overview of insurance. So insurance is needed to cover risks. And what is risk? It is an undesirable occurrence that can lead to a financial loss. There are two types of risk, that is pure risk and speculative risk. Then there are risk classes and then the risk class classification. Risk class classification means that risks are classified into four categories, that is preferred risk class, standard risk class, substandard risk class and declined risk class. Then we have insurance, where we should understand what is insurance contract. That is a document between an insured and insurer. There are parties to the insurance contract: insured, insurer and policyholder, where insured pays a premium to the insurer and in return insurer provides coverage to indemnify in case of undesirable occurrence, to cover the loss. Then we must understand insurance policy and insurance organization. Insurance policy sections like declarations, exclusions, definitions, forms, endorsements. There are different sections of insurance policy. And then insurance organization, how insurance company operates, what are the key players, external and internal, that are responsible for functioning of insurance organization. Principles of insurance. There are 6 principles of insurance: insurable interest, utmost good faith, proximate cause, indemnification, subrogation and contribution. Then we must know about types of insurance that are widely divided into two types, that is long-term insurance, which contains life insurance and annuities, and then short-term insurance that contains property insurance, casualty insurance and health insurance. We will talk about property and casualty insurance in this video. Now all these topics are covered in our videos on our channel, which you can watch by going a link that is provided at the top right corner. So let's begin our today's topic, that is property and casualty insurance. So what is property insurance? As the name suggests, it is the insurance that is provided to cover the property, but property that you own. It is not like you can insure a neighbor's property, right? So property insurance includes coverage for physical items such as homes, commercial buildings, business inventory and motor vehicles. This first party coverage occurs when a policyholder buys coverage for losses related to their own property. Property insurance provides coverage for property and net income loss exposures. Loss exposures means anything that is exposed to loss. Property insurance protect insured assets by paying to repair or replace the property that is damaged, lost or destroyed, or by replacing the net income loss and the extra expenses incurred as a result of property loss. So as an example, if you have your home insured and a tree fell down on your home due to which your roof is damaged, so through insurance coverage you can get your roof either replaced or repaired and insurance company will bear all the expenses as per the coverage that is provided on your insurance policy. Similarly, if you have a auto insurance for your personal car and you met with an accident due to which your car is damaged, and while your car is in repair in the garage, you need to rent a car for, let's say, 2 or 3 days, then insurance company will not only cover the damages to your car but will also cover the rental cost that you are paying to rent a car in the absence of your own personal car while it is repaired in the garage. So I hope you understand what is property insurance. Let's talk about types of property insurance. So first is auto insurance. It can be personal auto or commercial auto insurance. Basically, this type of insurance covers losses or damages to the specified vehicles that are mentioned on your policy. The second is homeowners insurance that covers your home and any attached structure such as garage or shed. It does not cover auto in the home, and there are several forms which comes under homeowners insurance for various types of perils and hazards that you can check out in our peril and hazard video. What is peril and what is hazard? So homeowners insurance provide coverage to the damage or loss that happens to your home in case of undesirable occurrence. Then we have ocean and marine insurance that covers ships and their cargo against losses of fire, lightning and perils of sea. So as you know that there are ships that take cargo from country to country, and anything can happen while they are in sea, right? Bad weather, or there can be fire, they can struck with by lightning and so on. So if there are losses because of that, then those must be covered because it can be millions of dollars of loss. So ocean or marine insurance provide that kind of coverage. Then we have business income insurance that pays business for its losses of net income or additional expenses as a result of covered loss. Business income insurance is an insurance provided to all kind of businesses such as restaurant, bookstore, grocery stores, or any other commercial insurance. There are other other types of property insurance as well, like crime insurance, right? So basically, property insurance is provided to cover the losses for your own property or business. Now that we understand what is property insurance, let's talk about casualty insurance. Casualty insurance covers the policyholder's legal obligations. This third-party coverage occurs when a policyholder purchases coverage for losses that may cause to other parties. It is also called as liability insurance. It provides coverage for payment of losses to an individual or group of people because of some activity by the insured. It protects the insured in the event he is sued on types of claims that come within the policy. And casualty insurance products are designed to offer specific protection against third-party claims. That is, payment is not typically made to the insured, but rather to someone suffering loss who is not a party to the insurance contract. So casualty insurance is a liability insurance, and as the term suggests, liability means you are liable to pay for certain losses to the other parties, right? So there are typically two parties, right? Insured and insurer. And third party means the third person that is involved. Now, in case of auto insurance, let's say you met with an accident. The third party is the another vehicle which is damaged because of that accident. And now if you are at fault, then you are liable to pay losses for that damage that occurred to that vehicle or injuries that occur to the passenger of the vehicle. So that is covered under liability insurance. Similarly, if you have a home and somebody get injured because of something that happens inside the home. Let's say there was oil spill on the stairs and somebody who was a guest in your home, he slips or fell down. Then you are liable to pay for the injuries. So that's the liability insurance. Now, types of liability insurance can be product liability that covers loss exposures arising from the products. So let's say you have launched a product. You have launched a skincare product, and after applying that product, some customers have reported skin rashes. So they can sue you for their medical expenses or for their harassment and other things. So such kind of losses can be very heavy, and that's where product liability insurance comes into picture. So if you have product liability insurance, then that can safeguard you against such kind of losses. The second type is public liability that provides coverage to individuals and families against any loss due to insured negligence. Like we talked about, undesirable occurrence that occurred in your house and guest fell down on your staircase because of an oil spill. Now oil spill will be considered as the negligence, and the injuries caused to the guest will be considered the loss there. Right. Similarly, let's say you own a restaurant, and in a restaurant, due to some undesirable occurrence, there is an incident that happened and some of your guests got injured. So if you have the public liability insurance, that can help you cover those losses. The third type is professional liability, which provides coverage to professionals for any losses incurred because of errors and omissions out of their professional duties. Right. Like, for example, if an agent sells you an insurance and there is some coverage that he misrepresented on behalf of the insurance company, then agent is liable to pay for the losses. But that can be covered under errors and omissions policy, and that is called professional liability insurance. So product liability is a legal responsibility of a manufacturer, distributor, or seller of a product for any harm or injuries caused by the product. And this can include the defects in the design, manufacturing, and warning labels on the product. Public liability is a legal responsibility of a person or organization for any harm or injuries that they may cause to the public. This includes accidents or incidents that occur on their property or as a result of their activities. And professional liability is a legal responsibility of a professional such as doctor or lawyer for any errors and omissions in their work that may cause harm or injury to their clients. This is often referred to as malpractice in case of medical professionals. Now, the type of insurances that comes under liability insurance are errors and omission insurance. As we talked, it is for the professional liabilities. Workers' compensation insurance that covers medical expenses and lost wages for employees who are injured on the job. And then umbrella insurance. Umbrella insurance provides additional liability coverage over and above the limits of your existing insurance policies. So I hope you like this video and must have gained some knowledge. Please like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to watch upcoming videos. Thank you.